Hello and welcome to our walk around video of our BMW Alpina D3 bi-turbo touring. It's a 2014 car, one former keeper from new, full BMW service history from Sytner Wycombe, and that's where the car was originally supplied new and registered to the previous owner. It's got 52,000 miles on the clock and it is build number 47. It's finished in Alpina Grün Metallic and has the 19-inch classic Alpina alloys with the gold decals, which against the green you really don't get much better than that. For an Alpina, that is probably the most iconic configuration there is, green and the golds, and it does really look beautiful, especially in the sunlight. You've got Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, 4S's all round, they're all fitted at the same time. The wheels are unmarked, there's not a single curb on any of these wheels. The car originally came from a private owner in London, which is where we sourced the car from. It was garaged majority of the time. Very sunny day, so excuse. So as you can see here in the video, where the sun's on it and in the shade, it's very sort of deep dark green looking. If we come around the back where the sun is hitting the car, you see how beautifully it changes colour. It's very subtle, but it's nice. It really does catch the eye, especially with these beautiful gold decals. Look down how straight the car is. This car has been professionally ceramic coated. It's always been washed by a professional detailer under its current ownership. Build stickers here stating D3 bi-turbo touring. And you've got the build sticker there as well, and of course you've got this beautiful classic tan leather interior, which is very nice indeed. As you can see here, build number 47. And on the inside of this car, it's a very rare option. The interior inlays have been colour matched to the paintwork. So it's quite nice. It works nicely with the interior of the car, and it's a very rare option for people to pick. This car did have the Alpina, there's normally a little emblem here in the seat. Previous owner, gentleman who bought the car from new, actually found that the badges in the centre of the seat can be irritating on the back of the neck, so he got that removed. So there's an option to have it deleted, which is a little bit of a shame because it's quite cool to have a logo there, but I suppose for comfort it's a good thing. You've got the back of the car here. It has got Harmon Kardon sound system, electric tailgate. Everything's very clean in here. Of course, you have the original book pack, dealer cards of where the car was sold originally. Mr. Mark Molloy, Sytner Wycombe. Imagine he's the gentleman who sold the car from new. In here we have all the service history, all from Sytner Wycombe, and I believe from Sytner Sunningdale there were some valves we bought for the tyres. As you can see here, even the in the boot, none of this is scuffed up. This is all nice and clean. The boot itself is not all tatty. A lot of the car is really not been used much. See, these Alpinas come with an Aquapovic exhaust system as standard. You can see the paintwork there, stunning. You look down the edge, there's not a single dent or scratch in this car. As you can see, it's got a gloss black grille, but we do have the original grille. Head-up display. Unfortunately, these bonnets are quite prone to catching stone chips, so you know, an honest car that's not been painted, it doesn't have PPF, you'll probably find a few very minor little chips on the front end. You can sort of see your camera's picking up a few of them here, but it's really only noticeable when you get up close and personal. Apart from that, the car's beautiful. Previous owner will be, sorry, whoever buys the car will be glad to know that the number plate D3 Go comes with it. So thank you very much for watching. There will be a full write-up on the website. That's www.startclassics.com. The full optional spec list will be listed on there, and all the other additional information. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.